Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Welcome, trainers. In this video, I will explain how to play Pokémon Go. To begin your adventure, simply download the free app and create your unique avatar. The core of the game involves exploring your real-world surroundings. As you walk, you'll discover Pokémon appearing on your in-game map. You'll also find Pokéstops, which are crucial for collecting helpful items like Pokéballs to catch new friends. Once a Pokémon appears on your map, tap it to start the catching minigame. Your goal is to swipe a Pokéball accurately towards the Pokémon to capture it. For tougher catches, consider using a raspberry to increase your chances. As you progress, you'll unlock better Pokéballs, like Great Balls and Ultra Balls, which significantly improve your success rate in catching stronger or rarer Pokémon. At level 5, you'll choose one of 3 teams: Instinct, Mystic, or Valor. This allows you to interact with gyms. You can place your Pokémon in gyms to defend them and earn up to 50 Poké coins each day. For a bigger challenge, team up with other players in raid battles to take down powerful boss Pokémon. Successful raids grant you valuable rewards and an opportunity to catch the defeated raid boss. To strengthen your Pokémon, collect candy and stardust to evolve them into more powerful forms or increase their combat power. You can also hatch Pokémon eggs by walking specific distances, typically 2, 5, or 10 kilometers, to discover new Pokémon. Don't forget to complete daily field research tasks for bonus items and unique Pokémon encounters. Finally, trading with friends is a fantastic way to expand your collection and even get lucky Pokémon.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.